Well, welcome to this UK drug testing presentation where we're going to show you the Ultra Cannabis test strip from Alltest. This is the foil that you'll be presented with when you buy these. They're individually foil wrapped in the standard Alltest foil, and the dates and expiry lot numbers will all be on the reverse of the foil. I'm not going to run over that again. The test strip, when it comes out of the foil, will look like this. So the handle end has the abbreviation for the drug that you are testing for, in this case THC. It's an identical abbreviation to that used on the standard 50 nanogram test, but this is the 25 nanogram ultra sensitive. This is the dip end of the testing strip with the maximum dip line and the wavy lines indicating where the sample has to be applied to the test strip, and the central flatter section here is where the results will show. So to run a test, you take it out of the foil just before you're ready to perform the test, and with a freshly produced sample, dip the test strip in for between 5 and 10 seconds to no deeper but close to the maximum dip line, and you'll see almost immediately, if I just remove it, tap for any excess, and then just place the test strip flat. We usually use the discarded foil to prevent any of the urine sample contaminating the work surface you're on. And you'll see almost immediately this central section is showing this pinkish discoloration. This is the lateral flow process taking the reagents through that central section. Now the C line, the control line, forms nearest the handle end, and you'll see quite a dark, thick control line forming on this test strip already. And what you can already just make out on this test strip is the T or test line forming towards the end that has been dipped into the urine sample. Now this test detects down to an ultra low level of 25 nanograms per mil of THC and THC metabolites. Now all the standard industry cannabis tests detect to 50 nanogram cutoff, so this one is twice the sensitivity for a positive test. What there is no current data set for is the period after which cannabis exposure that the ultra test will continue to detect it and give you a positive test. The guidance on a 50 nanogram is between 5 and 12 days in most cases, but up to 30 days in extreme cases, and we have had reports of the ultra test screening positive beyond those 30 days from the previous exposure to cannabis. So it is a more sensitive test. The detection period will, and you would expect to be a little longer than a 50 nanogram cutoff test, but the window for detection on urine screening for cannabis using these modern ultra tests can be anything up to and slightly exceeding 30 days from the last exposure. Thanks for watching.